Hello world! What is up everyone? Welcome back to today's video where we're talking about arguably one of the cutest skincare devices on the market. I'm talking about the brand new Foreo Bare Mini at-home microcurrent device. Now, if you've been following my channel, which I hope you are, last week you guys saw that we talked all about the full-size Foreo Bare device. I showed you guys how to use it, a tutorial. We went really in-depth about microcurrent in general. And in that video, I did mention to you guys that I wanted to show you how I use the Bare Mini for a more targeted at-home microcurrent treatment. So in today's video, I wanted to show you guys how I use the Foreo Bare Mini to target those fine lines and wrinkles around my mouth and my eyes in particular. If you want to see my full tutorial of how to do a full facial with the microcurrent device, check out my original Bare review where we go really in depth. Now, before we talk all about the Foreo Bare Mini and how it's different from the Foreo Bare, if you haven't already, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. It is a free way that you can help out my channel. I really appreciate it. And I need to share with you guys my brand new merch design. Dun 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 dun. Look at this, you guys. Hello world, I am obsessed. I'll have everything linked in the description box down below. I am just really feeling this design. I mean, oh my gosh, could it be any more beautiful? This is the Foreo Bare Mini smart microcurrent device that builds collagen, repairs elastin, and visibly lifts and tones the skin using electrical currents. Now, in last week's video, I did do a very in-depth deep dive into microcurrent facials, but very quickly, I'll touch on it again here, just in case you missed that video. Now, microcurrent is so amazing because it delivers an electrical impulse deep into the skin without crinkling that top layer of skin, which stimulates the muscle and causes cell growth. This helps to produce collagen, repair elastin, and actually helps to lift your skin. Now, when you first start using microcurrent devices, you do see immediate results right after the treatment that lasts about 1 to 2 hours. It's just like if you go to the gym, work out your muscles, you see that initial swell, your muscle gets bigger for a couple of hours, but after a few hours, that pump does go down. However, if you continue going to the gym, your muscles get bigger over time. So with prolonged use of a microcurrent device at home, not only do you see those immediate results, but you do see lasting long-term effects. Now, the Foreo Bare Mini is quite a bit smaller than the original Foreo Bare. I would say it's about half the size. Even the nodes are quite a bit smaller, which makes the Bare Mini perfect for those targeted areas, especially around the mouth, around the eyes. The Foreo Bare Mini fits perfectly into these areas. I particularly love this in the eye area because it just fits in the eye contour area perfectly. Now, like the Bare Mini is also made from ultra hygienic silicone. I always say this, I love the fact that all the Foreo products are bacteria resistant. You guys know I hate bacteria, I hate germs. So the fact that they're made of super smooth, I will say, silicone, perfect. Now, of course, the Foreo Bare Mini also has T-sonic pulsations. Like all of Foreo's products, those T-sonic pulsations actually help to smooth out the skin and help ease facial tension. Now, the original Foreo Bare has 5 micro-intensity levels. That's why it's made for the entire face. Now, the Bare Mini has 3 levels, which is still fantastic. That's what makes it so perfect to target those smaller areas. The Foreo Bare Mini has 3 microcurrent intensity levels. Each level is measured by 5, so this device goes up to level 15. All right, let's get to the good stuff. Let's bring you in and show you exactly how to use the Foreo Bare Mini. Like always, my skin could use a little TLC, a little treatment, especially now that fall is coming and winter's coming. I mean, skincare treatments like these, they get me through the day. Woo! There we are. Now, when you originally open your Foreo Bare Mini, like all Foreo devices, you do have to register them with the Foreo app. You can find this on the App Store, on your Google Play. You can even get it for your desktop. The thing that I love about the Bare device is that after you're done that initial registration, you can choose to continue using the app and do a personalized routine and follow along with the screen. Or you can actually just click the button on the back and use it without following the app. The fact that I can use my device without bringing my phone into the bathroom, perfect. Now, you do want to make sure that you're using your microcurrent device always on cleansed skin. You can use any type of cleanser that you like as long as it doesn't include any oils. So any water-based cleanser, as long as it doesn't include those oils, totally safe for your skin. Now, in order to conduct the current from the microcurrent device, I've been using the Foreo Serum, 3 serums, serum. This is the serum that comes from Foreo. It contains 3 different types of hyaluronic acid, and it pairs really well with the Bare device. Now, of course, you can use any serum that you like as long as it doesn't contain any oils. It's very important to completely coat the skin in a hydrating serum before you use your device. All right, I'm going to show you guys exactly how I do a targeted microcurrent facial around my lips to alleviate fine lines. Now, I'm going to take a good pump. I actually might take 2 pumps of the serum, and apply it all over the skin. You want to use as much serum as you feel comfortable with. The more the better, because you really want to conduct that electric current underneath the skin into the muscle. Now, I'm only going to put this in the area just around my mouth here. And when we were using the original size Bare, we did do all sweeping motions to the back. However, when you're doing the area around the mouth, you actually don't want to pull back or stretch it. You want to keep everything centered and pulled inward. You don't want to stretch or pull, so you guys will see exactly what I mean. So 1 click in the back turns it on, 2 clicks starts the T-sonic pulsations, and we're just going to put this under our lips and just begin to glide back and forth. So you just do a couple of sweeping passes underneath here. Oh, those T-sonic pulsations feel so good. What the device is doing right now is sending those electrical currents down to the muscle, stimulating cell growth. Now, once you've done a couple of passes underneath the lip, I'm going to go above the lip here and just make a couple of passes back and forth. You definitely can feel a slight tingling, but those T-sonic pulsations are so relaxing. Now, after you've made a couple of passes back and forth above the lip and below the lip, I like to take the device and I just hold it right here for a couple of seconds, and I just move it all the way around the mouth, stimulating all the muscles. Oh, this feels so good. And just that quickly, we've stimulated all of those muscles around the mouth, toned, tightened them without stretching or crinkling the skin. This is going to give you a lot more definition and prevent your mouth from kind of sagging, drooping, or getting those fine lines and wrinkles along your lips. Now, another great use for the Foreo Bare Mini is the eye contour area. I'm going to take a little bit of that same serum, and we are just going to coat the skin all under the eye here, get it nice and hydrated. I'm even going to take it up on the eyebrow because, as you see, we're going to take the device right over the eyebrow itself. 1 click to turn the device on, 2 clicks to turn on the T-sonic pulsations, and let's begin. So because this is the eye area, I actually like to bring the device inward instead of pulling it outward. I want to avoid any tugging or pulling in the eye area as well. We're going right over the eyebrow here. This just feels, oh, so relaxing. Over time, this is really going to help to strengthen the muscles around the eye, really making them tighter. Now, after I've made enough passes under and over the eye, I just like to take the device and put it right here on the outside of the temple and just pull back and hold up in the hairline here. This is really going to help to lift the eye area, giving you a really contoured cat eye. Because the Bare is so mini, you can really use it to hyper-target any skin concerns that you have. You can also use the Bare Mini on your laugh lines here, or on my arch nemesis, the number 11s between the eyebrow. You can also take it and really contour up under the cheek area here, really targeting those muscles. I am feeling a lot more electrified and snatchified than I was at the beginning of today's video. Now, for the Foreo Bare Mini, I wouldn't say that it's a complete replacement for the original Foreo Bare. I do think that the larger size Foreo Bare is great for that full facial, but where the Foreo Bare Mini comes in really is at hyper targeting certain muscles in the face. So if you're really concerned with laugh lines, wrinkles around the mouth, or crow's feet, or any type of wrinkling around the eye area, the Bare Mini is really going to get in there and target those muscles a lot more easily than the bigger Bare. When you combine these two together, it's literally a spa treatment at home. In the long run, you're going to be saving thousands of dollars if you love microcurrent technology. Now, I wouldn't recommend the Bare Mini if you plan on doing full microcurrent facials. That's definitely what the original Foreo Bare is for. But if you just have a few areas of concern, the Bare Mini may fit great in your skincare routine. Boo! And that, guys, is my review and how to use the new Foreo Bare Mini at-home microcurrent device to snatchify your life. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Leave us a comment in the comment section down below letting us know, have you used any microcurrent devices before? Make sure you hit subscribe, and we'll see y'all in the next video. Bye, guys.